Hello, everybody.
Hi,
It would be good if you keep your cameras on and mic muted.
we'll on it in 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello,
Arpit.
hello, everybody.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
Hello,
hello,
sir.
hello, everybody. Hello, hey. Some people are just. I remember some names of you. Not everybody is new here. Hi, Satyam. Yes, you raised your hand.
Hello, sir.
So, how many of you have attended the last class of mine? So, one, two, three. Only two people? Only two
Yes, sir.
people attend. How many of you attended my last class
Last class. I
regarding
did.
the basics of the guitar?
Hmm.
5 people. Anybody else? 6. 6 out of 44. That is a very less number. How many of you want to just revise everything what we did in the last class? Or otherwise, we'll continue.
So it would be helpful if you could revise it for us. Sorry, I couldn't join last class.
Okay.
So एकदम
That's not
बेसिक
a
से
problem.
बताएंगे देन रेपिटेशन हो जाएगा फिर सारा पूरा अगर
हाँ,
बेसिक से
बिल्कुल
शुरू
अगर
किया था
बिल्कुल शुरुआत से शुरू किया then it will be a very longer class. Okay, I'll just give a very good fast review of everything whatever I did in the last class. Okay, so I'll just give you a fast review of everything. So let me just open my PDF. I hope like you guys are having this class on your laptop because I'll be sharing some PDFs so it won't be visible on you for you if you're just using the mobile. Okay, let me start with very basics. So in our first class, we did talk about music, and during the end of the class, we just finally settled over that music is more nothing, just a language having two elements in it. So it was sound and rhythm. For the sound, we did some basic chords as well in the last class. So let me just start with very basics of the guitar. So there are different types of guitars. So some people will be having a nylon string guitar, some people will be having acoustic steel string guitar, some people will be having electric guitar like me. And there were the parts of the guitar. So this is the head of the guitar, neck of the guitar, body of the guitar, very basics of the guitar, what we did in the last class. Then we did talk about tuning of the guitar, and we did talk about Eddie. So this guy, Eddie 8 Dynamite, goodbye Eddie. That's how we remember the tuning of the guitar. EADGBE. You can actually remember it as a phrase, or you can also just remember it by the sequence. EADGBE. The thickest string will be the E, and the thinnest one is also E. So starting from the thickest string, this is EADGBE. And we generally number our strings from 1 to 6. So thinnest will be the first string, and the thickest will be the sixth string. Thickest will be the sixth string. Now going ahead, there will be a certain position or postures you need to follow while playing the guitar. So this is the common, not very common one. This is how the classical guitarists play guitar. And going to the next one, this is the general form, how general posture, how the generally people hold the guitar, mostly the acoustic guitar one. And as I said in the last class, to make this C type of structure instead of this curvier structure you need to make whenever you are playing anything with the guitar, try to make this kind of structure instead of making this beggar kind of pose. Yes, poor Eddie Prasoon. Yes, that's right. So instead of making this beggar kind of pose, that's how the beggar asks for money in India. So you should not be making this kind of pose. Instead, try to make a little more curvier approach to the guitar. Okay. Hey Ishan, can you figure out that why there is a request coming on my? Everybody been asking to join.
Oh, I made you co-host. That's why. Wait, I'll just remove you.
Can I make you host again? It keep coming. I guess like it's very distracting. Okay.
It won't come now.
It won't come. Okay. Thank you. So coming back, we will try to make this curvier kind of structure whenever we are doing anything over the guitar, whether we are playing one string stuff, whether we are playing chords. So we'll always try to keep our palm away from the from this neck, and these rectangle blocks are called the frets, and that's why the left hand is called fretting hand, and fretting hand is generally numbered from 1 to 5. So this, my index finger is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever I say you to keep your first finger over the 7th fret of the 4th string, so you need to go to the 7th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4th string, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we actually do that. And the second finger will be the middle finger, third finger will be ring finger, pinky finger will be the fourth finger. That's how we will be doing it. And going ahead, then we discussed about how we actually use the pick. There are many ways you can hold the pick. Some people hold it like this, some people hold it like that. That doesn't matter how you hold it, because everybody's hand is different. So we will be using the pick differently, just like we hold a pen, different posture, like a different way. Anyway, going ahead, so we also did talk about very basic chords and our first sound. So we did, I guess, like we did E minor chord during the class. This is the E minor chord. So I'm just going to give you a good recap of everything. So this rightest line, this vertical line. So as you can see, there are some many horizontal lines, there are vertical lines, and there are some black dots over it. So this rightest vertical line is the first string, the thinnest string of your guitar. So if you count the vertical line, they should be 6 in number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means they are strings. So when you see this black dot written shown over this any vertical line, it means that it is over the 4th string. You can count from here like 1, 2, 3, 4. And these horizontal blocks are the frets. So these are the rectangle blocks which we were talking about. Like this is the rectangle block. So in general form, they just cut out the guitar, the first 4 fret of the guitar, and just kept it over it. Okay, going ahead. So when it says keep your, so these numbers below are the fingers you should use. As I said that fretting hand, our left hand is numbered. So our index finger, so you need to keep your index finger, first finger, over what fret? So this is the first fret. This horizontal block, second block, is the second fret. So you need to keep your first finger over the second fret of what string? So you will count it from the right as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll be keeping your first finger over the second fret of 5th string. So that's how we will be doing it. Yes, Saurabh Joshi, do you have any question? Hi, Anubhav. Do you want me to speak in Hindi? Hey, sir, Hindi boliye. Sir, please, Hindi boliye. Yes. Okay. So just giving, I'm very used to English actually. It's very hard for me to switch between the English and Hindi. बीच में so मेरे से वो बीच वाला नहीं होता, so I'll just try to continue for Hindi for a while and then थोड़ी देर बाद English में बोलने लगूंगा. So I was saying कि सबसे right वाली जो ये vertical line है, this is called the first string. ये first string है, और इसके बाद second string होगी, third string होगी, fourth string होगी, fifth string होगी, sixth string होगी. And this horizontal blocks, if you look at this block, ये एक rectangle block है, ये पहला block है, ये first fret है. This is second fret, third fret and fourth fret. So जब यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि first finger, so you need to keep your first finger over कौन से वाला fret? So this is the first fret and this is the second fret. So second fret पे रखना, कौन सी string पर? You will count the vertical lines from the right side. So ये पहली line, first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string. So you need to keep your, तुम्हें अपनी first finger second fret पे रखना, कौन सी string पे? Fifth string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth string and the second fret. And while playing this chord, you also need to keep your second finger. ये वाली second finger, it is written second finger. You need to keep it over the second fret of fourth string as well. 1, 2, second fret. And this is what you will get. So this is the first sound we get. But as I said, like music is more, music is just a collection of, okay, I should ask you guys. So for those new people who joined today, so what is music according to you? What do you guys think? What is music? You can just raise your hand, so and then unmute yourself and answer the question. Yes, Manish.
Sur and Tal.
Sur and Tal. Yes, Sur and Tal is very good approach to the Hindi version of what I want to tell you. Anybody else?
Sir, music is a art of connecting people with heart.
Very philosophical answer. What else?
I think so.
Music is an
Yeah, I
art which
think-
connects people
Sir, what
together.
you asked? Sir,
I'm
what
asking
your
what is music? A
favorite-
technical answer. I'm asking technical answer. Just like the Manish said कि उन्होंने बहुत ही छोटे वाक्य में इसको बहुत अच्छे से डिफाइन कर दिया. But I want more. Express the feeling with sur and tal.
Sir, collection of tones and rhythm.
Tones and rhythms. ये भी अच्छा है.
And
Nice.
basically sir 12 notes की language है.
Notes की language है. Language is very good. Music is sound and silence in a particular speed. Anthony. Nice.
Sir, lay.
Sorry.
ले
Lay. Any sound which has a definite frequency. अच्छा तो ये एक बात बताओ अगर can any sound be music? कोई भी sound हो सकता है music?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, perfect pitch में हो.
Technically, I think no.
No, technically no. What do you think, Manish?
सर साउंड हो सकता है म्यूजिक नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ.
कोई भी sound music हो सकता है कि नहीं? मैं तो बस ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
म्यूजिक की अगर हम डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से
कोई
जाएं तो
भी
नहीं हो
sound
सकता.
so I just rephrase myself. किसी भी sound से music बना सकते हैं कि नहीं?
हाँ,
Sir,
बना
बना
सकते
सकते हैं.
Sound जो है,
Proper से
sound से music
definition
बना
कर
सकते हैं.
किसी भी
हैं.
sound
साउंड से
से
म्यूजिक बना. हाँ,
sound से
Sound
music
से तो
बनाते
music
हैं.
बन सकता है सर.
हाँ, so noise से भी music बन सकता है क्या?
सर
नहीं, sir.
नॉइज जो है म्यूजिक का पार्ट हो सकता है किसी पर्टिकुलर जगह पे.
हाँ, that's also true. So किसी भी तरीके के sound से music बन सकता है. तो एक चीज तो ये clear है. So but क्या सिर्फ sound से music बन सकता है?
In form
नहीं,
of
सिर्फ
sound.
साउंड से म्यूजिक नहीं बनेगा.
Emotions.
हाँ, sir,
Emotions तो outcome है सिर्फ. Emotions
Sir,
आप
Tune
जब
is
पूरा बन
tune is very important, sir. Tune is very important.
So tune कैसे बनेगी? What is tune?
Collection of sounds maybe.
Collection
Notes.
of sounds. सिर्फ
Playing
sounds
of
के
notes.
collection. Sorry?
playing
क्या
of
बोल?
notes.
मैं समझा नहीं.
The tune frequency से
Arrangement of
बनेगी.
sound.
Arrangement of sounds.
Proper frequency से बनेगी.
Proper frequencies. Are you an
Sir,
engineer?
playing of notes.
Yes, sir, I am engineer.
Okay. So as I'm saying, see, music is a collection of sound. ये सच बात है. But बिना rhythm के कुछ भी नहीं है music. So when Anthony said that music is sound and silence, so it is somehow true. कि साइलेंस भी उतना ही जरूरी होता है क्योंकि बिकॉज म्यूजिक इज अ लैंग्वेज. इफ यू रीड अ न्यूज़पेपर, अगर न्यूज़पेपर में आपने देखा होगा वर्ड्स लिखे होते हैं, अगर वर्ड्स के बीच में कोई साइलेंस स्पेस ही ना हो तो क्या आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ पाओगे और कोई भी किताब पढ़ पाओगे अगर बीच में कोई स्पेस ही ना हो? उनका डेफिनेशन और एक जगह पे पैटर्न होना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट्स हाउ यू डिफाइन म्यूजिक. सो म्यूजिक इज हैविंग ओनली टू एलिमेंट्स. सो फर्स्ट इज साउंड और सेकंड वन इज रिदम विच विल बी द साइलेंस. और जब भी हमें बजाना है, क्योंकि एक बार साउंड आ भी गया तो आपको ये नहीं पता कि वो साउंड कितनी देर तक बजाना है. सो हम आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं. सो व्हेन यू प्ले दिस ई माइनर कॉर्ड, जब आप ई माइनर कॉर्ड बजाते हो ये वाली, सो मैं अगर ये ई माइनर कॉर्ड बजाऊं, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज दिस म्यूजिक? दिस इज म्यूजिक?
No. This is
Sound
not
है,
a
sir.
music. This is just a sound.
जैसा साउंड. सो ये म्यूजिक नहीं है बिकॉज आप अपने दोस्त के पास जाके ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हे देखो मेरे को गिटार बजाना आ गया.
Yes, sir.
I am a musician now by just playing. I'm a musician. No, it cannot happen. So it's just a sound. Right now, what is happening कि आप एक बार E minor chord बजा रहे हो, आपको ये नहीं पता कि आपको ये E minor chord कब तक बजानी है, कितनी बार बजानी है और इसके बाद क्या बजाना है. Are you getting it? So that's why the sequencing और एक पैटर्न होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर म्यूजिक बनाना चाहते हैं तो इसको कितनी बार बजाना है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए और इसके बाद क्या बजाना है और भी साउंड आपको पता होना चाहिए. सो इट इज मोर लाइक डिफरेंट साउंड्स एक साथ और फिर एक स्टोरी लाइन खड़ी करना. इट्स मोर लाइक स्टोरी राइटिंग. सो लाइक गोइंग अहेड, सो हमने लास्ट क्लास में वी ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट रिदम्स. यस चंद्रशेखर. Maybe he doesn't know that he raised his hand. Okay, he's gone. Okay, yes, Harish. No. ये फेक हैंड रेज करना इज अ ट्रिक और समथिंग न्यू. ओके व्हाटएवर. सो गोइंग अहेड, सो हमने लास्ट क्लास में एक बार हमने रिदम्स भी किया था. सो वी डिड टॉक अबाउट सम वेरी बेसिक रिदम्स जिसमें हमने होल नोट्स, हाफ नोट एंड क्वार्टर नोट्स तक कंप्लीट किया था. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिवाइज दैट थिंग स्टफ. So आपको आगे दिक्कत ना है, because we'll be using that rhythmic thing, or if you are not clear with the last class thing, then you are definitely going to have some problems today. So let me just revise what we did in the last class. So PQ are rhythmic values. So as I was saying कि जब हम E माइनर कॉर्ड बजा रहे थे तो हमें ये नहीं पता था कि हमें E माइनर कॉर्ड कितनी देर तक बजाना है, and how many times we have to play that E minor, and how often and what will be the next chord you need to play. So going ahead, so we started with this rhythmic value section where we did talk about whole notes, half note and quarter note. So आपने ये पहले भी देखे होंगे बचपन से म्यूजिक, मतलब जब भी कोई म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल होता होगा आपके स्कूल में तो आप लोगों ने ड्राइंग्स बनाई होगी, and never thought about कि ये है क्या. It always felt like कि some foreign language ही है ये, और alien language I would say, but it is not very foreign I would say, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि foreign language सिर्फ कुछ ही जगह पर काम करती है, and this is more like a universal language. अगर आपको ये language आती है तो आप किसी भी देश में चले जाओ, ये language common रहने वाली है. Are you getting it? So it's like a universal language, just like English you can say, पर English भी इतनी भी common नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी जगह पे English ना भी चले, बट ये वाली लैंग्वेज तो सब जगह चलेगी, आप किसी भी देश में चले जाओ. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो हमने इससे पहले एक चीज डिस्कस करना था कि व्हाट इज मेजर. वी डिड टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज मेजर. सो मेजर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज मेजरमेंट गाइस? व्हाट डू यू थिंक मेजरमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है इंग्लिश में?
Mapping, something like mapping.
मैपिंग. सो नापना, मतलब हिंदी में मैं अगर मैं बोलूँ किसी भी चीज़ को नापना, कितना लेंथ है उसका, कितना हाइट है, या फिर कितना वजन है, जो भी वगैरह. सो म्यूजिक को भी नापा जाता है, एंड वी कॉल इट अ मेजर. इन हाई सॉरी योर वीडियो नॉट शोइंग मी, कैन यू सजेस्ट? दिस इज माई फर्स्ट जूम इन. Chandrasekhar, maybe Ishan can help you out, I don't know. You should try rejoining, Chandrasekhar, if my voice is audible. Many times the rejoining just helps. Okay, going ahead. So सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि मेजर क्या होता है. So just like मैंने कहा कि मेजरमेंट होता है नापना, and we also have measurement in music, जिससे हम म्यूजिक की लेंथ नापते हैं, जिससे हम ये पता करते हैं कि कोई भी सेक्शन कितना बड़ा होने वाला है. लाइक कि अंतरा, जो भी वॉट एवर यू कैन कॉल इट. इन हिंदी में से अंतरा, मुखड़ा कहा जाता है. वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट वर्स एंड कोरस, ड्रॉप, आजकल ड्रॉप भी कहा जाता है. सो दीज आर द सेक्शन. सो इसको कितना लंबा होना चाहिए और हाउ ऑफन इट शुड कम, कोरस की लेंथ कितनी होनी चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई हाउ वी डिसाइड यूजिंग दिस मेजर थिंग. एंड मेजर वर्टिकल लाइन से डिनोट किया जाता है. सो दिस वर्टिकल लाइन यहाँ तक पहला मेजर है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट मेजर, this is the second measure, this is the third measure, this is the fourth measure. So how many measures are there? There are 4 measures here. 1 2 3 4. किसी को यहाँ तक दिक्कत? Is anybody having problem till here?
So the measure is somewhat like a bar?
Yes, measure is bar.
Okay.
Okay, so like every bar. now अब यहाँ पे बात आती है कि एक measurement की value क्या होती है. So it is very necessary. See, most of the time when generally in general music जब भी हम बात करते हैं तो 80% of the song only sets up like 4 count होता है उनका, 4 ही count होते हैं. आप किसी भी song में जा सकते हैं, if you listen to some of the Bollywood song, even if you are listening to some pop songs or international pop songs as well, so उसमें भी 4 counts होते हैं. If you just suggest me a song, suggest me any song, any international Bollywood, कोई भी चलेगा, even English, Hindi, rhyme.
Give me some sunshine.
Give me some sunshine. So as I said कि सबके अंदर 4 counts होते हैं. So what I will do, मैं count और गा तो एक साथ नहीं सकता. So what I would suggest, I will count with my finger and sing. So let me get a key. So सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. So as you have seen, हमेशा 1 से एक नया phrase start होगा. Yes, if yes, then how, sir? Yes, can we Riyaz voice? Yes, 4/4 beat, Vishal, that's correct. Yes, of course we can Riyaz voice with the guitar, but you should need to keep your guitar tuned. and that is very necessary because अगर आपका गिटार ही ट्यून नहीं होगा तो फिर आपका वोकल भी ट्यून नहीं होगा. That is also the case. Electric guitar is more versatile, I would say, because you can modulate the sound of electric guitar. Acoustic guitar or nylon string guitar, it just remains the same. उनका sound आप change नहीं कर सकते unless you have some other effects over that. But electric guitar is more versatile. You can have a distorted sound like, and then again you will have like a distorted sound. So, and when you want to change it to normal sounding guitar. But if I am learning which guitar is better, that's very hard to answer actually. Any guitar is better because every guitar is different, and so सारी guitar पे फिर से practice करनी पड़ती है. Of course, अगर आप एक guitar पर अच्छे से practice कर लोगे, then next guitar will be easier for you too. And electric guitar, अगर मैं compare करूँ सारे guitars के levels को, so I would say the easiest will be the nylon string guitar. And the second easiest will be the electric guitar, and the most difficult will be the steel string acoustic guitar because it also hurts your fingers. But electric string guitars be steel string hoti hai, but it hurts less. And nylon string guitar, which is very, it is also, nylon string guitar is also called a beginner guitar. So many people, beginner people actually start with nylon string guitar, which I generally suggest my students to wear. Okay, I guess like that answers your question, Vishal. Going ahead. So as we were talking about measures, so I was saying that mostly the measures will be having 4 counts in it. It is also showing the 4/4. We can discuss that time signature thing later. It is not generally required now. So as I said, like the whole measure, the measure will be having 4 counts in it. So we'll start with the first note, which is called the whole note. So whole का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you guys think? WHOLE वाला whole है, HOLE वाला whole मत बताना. हाँ. Complete. So this whole will be having all counts in it. जो हमारे पास measure के अंदर 4 counts थे, this whole note just take over all the counts. तो अगर इस 1 को हम play करेंगे, so I'm just going to show you this exercise 1. And what I am suggesting you, मैं आपको सिर्फ exercise 1 बताऊंगा, and you guys will be able to play the rest of it. Believe me, अगर आपको खुद believe नहीं हो रहा है, and you will be knowing it just by now. So हमारी काउंटिंग में म्यूजिक में 0 काउंट कुछ नहीं होता. There's nothing which is called 0 count. We only have 4 counts, 3 counts, or depends from the song to song, but we generally have 4 counts in it. So we'll strum and count from 1 together. So I'm going to play this E minor chord over this one, and then we'll wait for 2, 3, 4 and play the E minor chord again on the next one. Is there anybody who is having any problem? Must be having problem because we haven't done any practicals. So let me just play this exercise 1. I guess like that will help you out to figure out that how this whole note can be read. So I'm going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. कोई डाउट है यहाँ तक? No?
No, sir. No, sir.
Nice.
No, sir.
होना भी नहीं चाहिए. It's very easy. So like going ahead. उनके लिए easy नहीं है जो सुन भी नहीं रहे और practice भी नहीं कर रहे. Okay. Going ahead. So now the next note is called half note. So जैसा कि इसका नाम है. So whole note was taking the whole measure. Now the half note will take half of the measure. So what was the half of the measure? Whole measure की वैल्यू क्या थी? 4. So half of the measure की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 2. That's correct. So what's this note? अब इस note की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 2. Because that's the half note. Whole note ने सारे 4 काउंट ले लिए. So half note कितना लेगा? सिर्फ 2 ही काउंट लेगा. Is there any doubt till here? Yes, Samar, that's correct.
Sir, please repeat.
I am going to repeat it again. So whole note, as whole note का नाम था whole. इसने पूरा ही measure ले लिया. Just measure में 4 काउंट थे. Now the next note is called half note. तो ये आधा ही measure ले पाएगा. So आधा measure था क्या? That was the 2 count. That's why the half note की जो value होती है, that is only 2 count. So when we play the half note, will only play at 1 and 3. So 1 or 3 पे play करेंगे, 1 or 3 पे. So anybody who wants to try it first before I just show you. What about you, Samarth? Your mic is already open.
Ji sir, I can.
Yes, play it.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 3. So is it I use that metronome with the half beat also? या मैं 3, 1.
नहीं उसे क्वार्टर नोट्स पे हम लोग सिर्फ जो नॉर्मल मेट्रोनोम पर ही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. सो फॉर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेट्रोनोम, सो व्हेन यू वर काउंटिंग समर्थ, आई रियलाइज दैट यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम व्हाइल काउंटिंग एंड प्लेइंग. So I guess like that's a issue many people actually face while playing, counting and playing these notes. So मैं आपको suggest करूँगा for those people who are not having any access for metronome, sir, can you suggest any guitar for beginners? Means कोई भी budget में कौन से company? So there are certain brands you need to go for it. And can you give me? So Anupam, there is already some classes going on. You can actually ask Ishan and other people. There is already live classes going on from front row, so you can actually enroll in that. Okay, so going ahead, so for beginner guitars, I suggest some of the brands that are really good in any budget. That is Ibanez, Fender, Yamaha. These are the 3 brands I would suggest my students. Also Greg Bennett. So these 3 brands, आप इसके साथ जा सकते हो किसी भी budget में. These guitars will sound always good, especially in the under 10K budget. आपको कोई भी acoustic guitar 5,000 से नीचे नहीं खरीदना है. That's I would suggest you. Even if you buy any acoustic guitar less than 5,000, that won't sustain for very long. कुछ टाइम बाद आपको 1 साल बाद दिक्कत आएगी इसमें. It's better to buy a good quality guitar, so जो आपके साथ 10 साल तो रहे कम से कम. Okay, going ahead. So how we will play the half note. So I was just going to show you that how you can find a metronome. Sorry. So metronome, जिन लोगों ने metronome नाम पहले नहीं सुना, so I'm just going to show you. There is this metronome is very important for any musician to practice, whether you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced, it doesn't matter. आपको ये metronome पे practice करना चाहिए. I still record some music whenever I get a chance to record some songs for the Bollywood music and other people. So जो recording artist होता है वो हमेशा ही metronome पे record करते हैं. So it is very necessary to record on or play on or practice on metronome. So it's very easy to find metronome as well nowadays because कहीं Google ही आजकल metronome provide कर रहा है. तो आपको कोई app download करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just write metronome in the Google and आपको ये metronome दिख जाएगा सामने. Just move the slider to any speed कोई भी आपको पसंद हो और hit the play button और आपको metronome भी चालू हो जाएगा. So this is the easiest way you can actually figure out and play with the metronome, practice with the metronome. Other than आप कोई भी एक
Do you recommend any specific BPM, sir?
Depends. Beginner for beginner students, I suggest students to practice from 60 to 100. For intermediate students, that will change from 80 to 150. And while for advanced students, they can go up to 180.
Okay.
Okay. 180
Excuse
or
me,
200.
sir.
Yes. Who is it? Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, please check this my guitar.
This is good. This is good. कोई serial देख रहा है क्या? Okay. Nice. So going ahead. So who is going to play this one? Akshay, Samarth, anybody who wants to play this line, exercise 1. Nice, Samarth. Nice, Samarth. Okay. So who wants to try this exercise 2? Who wants to try this exercise 2? You want to try, Akshay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. So next note is called quarter note. जैसा कि इसका नाम है. So it will be the quarter of the whole measure. So what will be the quarter, 1/4 of a measure? that will be 1 beat.
1/4.
1/4 of 4 values, that will be 1. So quarter note will be played on every beat. That is the easiest one. So जो हम metronome सुनते हैं, when we play the metronome, that is actually a quarter note. Is there anybody who is having a problem regarding this thing? No, केशव, ये classes daily नहीं होती हैं, but at least a week तो होती हैं. Week में 1-2 बार classes हो जाती हैं, but that'll be concept. But basics of the guitar, we have a weekly session, I guess, that keep repeating on Thursday. So आप ये भी कर सकते हैं. And there is also other classes going on for other advanced subjects. Right now we are only doing the beginner stuff today, so we'll have some Q&A towards the end, so you can also have some advanced doubts if you are having any such. Okay, going ahead, where were we? मैं कहाँ पे था?
Quarter note.
Quarter notes. So I was saying कि quarter notes is just a metronome. जो metronome का sound आता है ना, टक 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 टक, that's the 4 beat. So that is a quarter note because there is a sound created on every beat. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, ये sound आता है. Metronome is actually a quarter note. So when we practice over the metronome, you should always focus on playing on the correct timing, because आपको मेरे teacher मेरे से कहा करते थे कि whenever you want to play correctly on the metronome, you should always think about like diminishing the sound of the metronome. आप उस चीज को इतना accurate बजाने लगो कि आपको metronome का sound ही आना बंद हो जाए. Are you getting it? So
Right.
it उतना accurate no. So when I'm saying, so when आपकी metronome का sound कैसे आना बंद होगा? So let's assume this is my metronome. This is my metronome. Is it audible?
Yeah.
So this is metronome. अगर मैं metronome पे नहीं बजाऊंगा तो क्या होगा कि ये sound भी आएगा और इसके बाद वाला sound भी आएगा. Can I get this recording session of this session? Yes, Rajat, you can ask Ishan. He can help you out. So this is the sound. 1 2 3 4 1. अभी मैं metronome पे नहीं बजा रहा हूँ. So that's why the metronome and my guitar is sounding off. Once you start playing over the metronome, you will eventually start feeling like कि metronome का sound अब नहीं आता. So 2 3 4 और are you guys able to hear the metronome sound? No. So when we play the chords and on the correct timing, you will eventually start feeling like कि metronome वहाँ पे है ही नहीं. अगर आप metronome पे बजाओगे नहीं तो metronome और guitar अलग-अलग sound सुनाई देंगे. So that is also the key when you can figure out that you're not playing over the metronome. Okay. So going ahead. So when we talk about the quarter notes, we will be playing at every beat. So if you are playing the E minor chord 1 2 3 4, you will play E minor on every beat. We are having 4 beats and so we'll play it. So is there anybody who wants to try this all together exercise? So then all together exercise, who wants to try it? I won't let you try, Prasun, so I will just give some other people try it because you already tried this one in the last class, I guess. Who else wants to try?
मैं करूं सर?
Yes, Manish.
तो पहला है 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4.
Nice. इधर तक किसी को डाउट है? Is there anybody who is having doubts still here? This is what we did in the last class. It took us half an hour, more than half an hour, to get a revision of what we did in the last class. Is there anybody who is having any problem till here? No?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
I see some representation which is one is round and extended towards the bottom. Can I know what are the differences?
This thing you're talking about?
Yeah, yes. Okay, that's whole note. Yeah.
Half notes and these are the quarter notes. So it is just showing you that half notes, एक whole note के अंदर से 2 half note निकलेंगे और एक half note के अंदर से 2 quarter note निकलेंगे.
So when I strum it, would it be the same, sir? Or will there be a softer or harder or something like that?
नहीं ऐसा कोई soft hard से लेना देना नहीं है इसका. It's all about
so it's just
timing.
one strumming. Okay, got it.
Yes, one strum जहाँ पे एक नोट है वहाँ पे एक ही strum होगा. It doesn't matter कि वो कितना loud होना चाहिए क्योंकि अभी तक कुछ भी decide नहीं हुआ है. Dynamics, we did not talk about dynamics yet. Dynamics is not a beginner thing to do. Dynamics धीरे धीरे आता है. When you are able to play some certain rhythms, then you will talk about कि अब आपको soft बजाना चाहिए या फिर अब आपको loud बजाना चाहिए. But if you are just basics, I would suggest you to playing on the time is more important than playing softer and louder. Okay. So it doesn't matter. So आपने thank you for just bringing me back to this diagram because it gave me an idea to go ahead. And what do you guys think कि इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है? What will be the next note?
Joining 1/8.
1/8?
Yeah.
So that will be the 8th note. And what do you think? How we can play the 8th note?
Up down 4 बारी.
Up down 4 बारी हो जाता है 16 note.
बीच में 1 और 2 के भी बीच में.
1 और 2 के बीच में भी. Yes, that's correct, Prasun. So now we are going ahead and hey Ishan, can you put me on spotlight again? Because I'm not getting any option to do that. Oh yeah, there is. Thank you. So I was saying, so when we were playing the quarter notes, जब हम quarter notes play कर रहे थे, so when you must have figured out to play every quarter note 1 2 3 4 1 2, तो आप हर quarter note को बजाने के लिए आपके हाथ को हमेशा वापस up आना ही पड़ता है. To play every next downstroke, your hand always need to come back up. So in this way, we are wasting one strike, isn't it? हम अपना upstroke waste कर रहे हैं. So we will start utilizing that upstroke. And so this is an exercise for many people who get confused with the 8 notes and this quarter note stuff. So this is the easiest way for them to recognize the difference between a quarter note and an 8 note. Let me just start it first. So हम क्या करेंगे? We'll play the first measure as the quarter note and the next measure will be the 8th note. So we'll play only the downs for the first measure and start playing utilizing our ups in the next measure. So I'm just going to show you, then you guys can repeat by yourself. So after the count, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Isn't it easy? आपकी काउंटिंग की स्पीड सेम होनी चाहिए. इट डजंट साउंड लाइक ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जब आप 8 नोट्स प्ले करने लगे तो आपकी काउंटिंग की स्पीड ही चेंज हो गई. सो 1 2, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू व्हाट यू गाइस शुड नॉट बी डूइंग. सो 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Some people also play garba with the guitar actually. Not playing garba like that, but playing garba over the guitar. When they start playing the 8 notes, they actually often play upstroke very early. उनको ऊपर आने की बहुत जल्दी बाजी होती है. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so what I was saying, so down up they actually tends to force their upstroke. आपको upstroke force नहीं करना है because ये hand का movement है. आप जैसे downstroke कर रहे थे वैसे ही करते रहना. अब वापस अपने टाइम पर आएगा वो. So you should not be doing like down up. This is how I define garba because many people actually do that. Down up, down up, down up. You should not be doing that. You should not force your upstroke. आपका hand का movement, if you continue doing the same hand movement, your upstroke will come by itself. You don't need to force it up. So down. The key is keeping the hand static, keeping the hand movement static. If you keep your hand movement static, आपकी rhythm कभी miss नहीं होगी. But if you start forcing something out, if you start forcing your downstroke, if you start forcing your upstroke, eventually you will end up not playing the rhythm or losing the metronome at the end. Okay.
Sir,
now
going question है, if it's okay, just about the strokes जो हम इस पे बात कर रहे हैं, the downstrokes usually tend to I tend to strike all the strings that I want to, but जब upstroke कर रहा होता हूँ तो I trying to the first 2 or 3 strings tend to I'm
only
able to hit them louder than the rest. So दूसरे जो strings होते हैं तो they get somehow missed. So is there a technique or a way, or is there a proper way to do that?
So when we strum, it's not all about forearm. Forearm से तो हम strum कर ही रहे हैं. It's also about like hand rotation. So I also do rotate my hand when I'm doing the downstroke. See, my hand is just like this, and when I'm doing the upstroke, my hand is like this.
Okay.
So it's also hand rotation.
Oh, okay.
So it is more fluid when you do it.
Right.
When you play faster, you tend to play faster. So इससे क्या होता है कि आप ऊपर साइड आते वक्त it's not forced, like so when I just keep my hand in the same way, so it tends to play only the first string and फिर बाकी सब skip हो जाते हैं. So what you can actually do it, try to rotate your hand upwards. So my pick is downward right now, and it also makes the strokes more smoother actually. इससे स्मूथनेस बढ़ती है. वरना आप देयर इज वन वे कि आप अपनी पिक को बिल्कुल स्टैटिक रखिए, बिल्कुल परपेंडिकुलर. इफ यू आर इंजीनियर यू कैन यूज दैट प्रोटेक्टर थिंग नाप के. फिर that is not possible in every other occasion actually. So it's better if you can like move your hand around. कितने स्ट्रिंग्स को हिट करना है आपको, सारी स्ट्रिंग को हैंड करना है, सारी स्ट्रिंग्स को हिट करना है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कॉर्ड जय बाय द वे, बट सारी स्ट्रिंग्स को हिट करना है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. यूकेलेले कैसा रहेगा? यूकेलेले की स्पेलिंग गलत है बट अच्छा रहेगा यूकेलेले इफ यू आर बिगिनर. गिटार ऑलराउंडर है ब्रो. दैट्स ट्रू अभिषेक. नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल. ऑलराउंडर नहीं. हाँ यस
सर. एक मेट्रोनोम के साथ रिदम की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करनी चाहिए, ये थोड़ा अगर आप बताएंगे.
इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन let me just complete this 8 note. I'll be just showing you how to we can use this 8 note rhythms over different levels. कि आप उसे beginner level पे कैसे करें 8 note rhythms को use, कि उसे एक intermediate level पे कैसे practice करें, and how you can actually practice that those 8 note rhythms और इन सारी 8 note rhythms को advanced level पे कैसे 8 note rhythms को advanced level पे कैसे practice कर सकते हैं. Sir, is it necessary to play with the pick? It is not necessary, Sonam. It's up to you. You can use your fingers. Normal guitar or electric guitar, sir, which one is the best? This question just repeated again. The guitar player is the best.
Nice.
Okay. So it's totally about who is playing that guitar. It doesn't matter what guitar you're playing. Normal guitar, एक string पे भी होगा ना और अच्छा guitarist होगा. It doesn't matter. He will be just rocking if he only have one string in it. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Going ahead, so when we were talking about the 8 notes, so हमने जब बात किया था कि हम quarter notes पे play करते करते we can actually start utilizing an upstroke. So eventually क्या होता है, when you start using your upstroke, you eventually start playing the 8th notes. So I'm going to show you your first 8 note sheet. I also term it as strumming patterns because आपने जब भी आप गिटार किसी भी गिटार सॉन्ग्स को सर्च करते होगे बिगिनर लेवल पे, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल ऑफ यू लाइक हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू really know how basic chords, but आप जब भी किसी भी गिटार सॉन्ग्स को सर्च करते होगे, it's very easy for those people who doesn't know how to search a song. You just write the name of the song, उसके आगे chords लिख दो, अपने अभी गाने सारे आ जाते हैं. It's very easy. और सारे
chord progression बताओ ना सर. chord progression सर कैसे करने का?
chord progression
हाँ सर, क्योंकि मतलब सर काफी सारे सॉन्ग्स में सर chord सेट नहीं होते ना. काफी सर YouTube में सर सॉन्ग्स मिलते भी नहीं है सर, जो मतलब क्रिएट होते हैं ना, मतलब जो बजाने होते हैं वो. तो सर सॉन्ग्स को कॉर्ड्स पे कैसे सेट करने का, तो सर कॉर्ड्स कैसे मतलब परफेक्ट ढूंढने का.
मतलब you are asking that how we can figure out the chords of any song.
Yes sir, definitely sir.
But that take years actually. That's not a one day work. आपके सिर्फ टेक्निक से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. आप कितने भी अच्छे गिटारिस्ट हो जाओ, it doesn't matter. It's all about years. And these years take years for people actually. क्योंकि देखो आपने सुना होगा to become Tansen you need to become Kansen before. So if you want to really this is the true sense, because I live in the city of Tansen, so I this is very used to method. So you need to be very perfect with your ears to actually become a very good singer, a very good musician in the world. So आपको हर चीज में, so and to become good with the ears, I suggest you guys to like start playing anything. कॉर्ड्स ढूंढना बंद कर दो. सबसे पहले टैब से बजाना बंद कर दो. ये सारी चीजें आपको रोकती हैं आपके कान अच्छे करने से. आपको कानों से ही सीखना है. आपको कोई भी सॉन्ग बजाया जाए, आप कानों से पता करो एक कॉर्ड में, भले ही उसके लिए दिन लगे. टेक योर टाइम. एज आई सेड, इट टेक्स ईयर्स. और ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको मैं आज सिखा दूं और आप कल तक आपके कान बहुत अच्छे हो जाएंगे. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट. मैं आपको बता भी दूंगी किस तरीके से होना है. You guys won't be able to reach to that level within certain amount of time. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं 1-2 महीने के अंदर हो जाएंगे, it won't be happening, guys. It is not an easy path. I can make you a very good guitarist in a certain amount of time, but I'm not giving you guarantee that even if I teach you a year training, that you will be able to get it within a certain amount of time, because it totally depends upon how much you are actually practicing ear training, because ear training की practice is just very weird. आपको सब कुछ सुन के सीखना है. इंस्टाग्राम पे रील पे कोई म्यूजिक बज रहा है, ट्राई टू प्ले इट अराउंड. आपने कोई भी एक कार का हॉर्न सुनाई दिया, दैट शुड बी काइंड ऑफ वेरी वियर्ड साउंड, तो आपने उसको ट्राई कॉपिंग एवरीथिंग. जो भी आप सुनो उसको ढूंढना है आपको. कुछ भी सुनो, मैंने भी कुछ भी बजाया, मैंने कोई भी मेलोडी बजा दी, सो मैंने कोई मेलोडी, यू नीड टू ट्राई टू कॉपी इट. कितना टाइम लगेगा? इट वोंट टेक मच टाइम. इट कैन टेक मंथ्स, इट कैन टेक वीक्स, इट कैन टेक डेज फॉर सम पीपल. इट टोटली डिफरेंट कि आपने बचपन से कितना सुना है. इट इज सेड कि ईयर ट्रेनिंग जो परफेक्ट ईयर्स होते हैं, यू गाइस मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ कॉल्ड, देयर इज अ वन थिंग कॉल्ड परफेक्ट पिच. सो पीपल परफेक्ट पिच होते हैं, एंड ये परफेक्ट पिच आपके शुरू के जीवन के 5 साल में होते हैं ये बच्चे. अगर आपने बचपन में 5 साल में आपके पेरेंट्स ने आप पे काम किया होगा तो आप जिंदगी भर परफेक्ट पिच रहोगे, वरना जिंदगी भर ये पिच आपको परेशान करती रहेगी. Those people actually start seeing these pitches as colors. और मैं ऐसे लोगों से मिला भी हूँ, और ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि बड़े में. It took me actually around 9 years to be perfect pitch, and that इतना टाइम इसलिए लगा क्योंकि मैं बहुत ग्रेजुअली स्पीड पे चल रहा था उसे. और एक्चुअली इट एक्चुअली टेक दैट मच ऑफ टाइम. इतना कोई ऐसा नहीं कि आप 4 साल में भी नहीं होते, इट टेक्स इयर्स. और ये इसलिए भी टाइम लगा बिकॉज माई वर्क वॉज लाइक वेरी डाइवर्टेड. आई वॉज लर्निंग माई गिटार, आई वॉज लर्निंग पियानो, आई वॉज लर्निंग म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन एंड डूइंग माई ईयर ट्रेनिंग वर्क. सो सब कुछ एक साथ चल रहा था. इट माइट हैव टुक लाइक 3 to 4 years अगर मैं सिर्फ ईयर ट्रेनिंग पे ही काम करता. बट दैट्स फिर वो कुछ काम की भी नहीं रहती. कान अच्छे करके फिर हाथ अच्छे नहीं रहते. सो बैलेंस बना के रखना है.
पेशेंस भी नहीं होता ना, मतलब इतना, मतलब
patience. See, you are going to be a musician, you need to have a very good patience, and आपको नहीं तो बहुत दिक्कत आएगी अगर पेशेंस नहीं रहेगा तो. that's true actually.
और सर कॉर्ड प्रोग्रेशन क्या होता है सर, वो बता दो ना, मतलब खाली थोड़ा ऊपर से
कॉर्ड प्रोग्रेशन.
सर मैंने बहुत सुना है, बट
हाँ, you might have आपने इससे पहले मेरी और दूसरी क्लास अटेंड की है when we talked about harmonies and progressions. No? Okay, I can give you an idea towards the end of it. Let me just complete this 8-note rhythm thing, and then we'll come to the progression, that how we can actually complete. You guys,
yes,
let us discuss questions in the Q&A, please. Thank you, Prasoon. Thank you, Prasoon. Okay. So when we were doing the down up thing, we were actually playing this first line. This is how the 8-note looks like. ये 8-note की rhythms ऐसी दिखाई देती हैं. So this rectangular thing, ये आपको दिख रही है यहाँ पर. So this rectangular thing is downstroke. This is how downstroke is written, and this is upstroke. This is how the upstroke is written. So जब हम लोग down up play कर रहे थे, तो हम लोग actually playing the first line. So आप जब down up कर रहे थे हर count पे, you guys were actually playing the first line. But उससे पहले एक्सरसाइज में what we were doing, we divided the quarter notes. हम दूसरे measure में कर रहे थे, 8 notes हम दूसरे measure में कर रहे थे. These are the 8 notes. So in the next line, you will see that the quarter notes and the 8 notes are written in the same line. So who want to try this one? Is there anybody? Yes, Jay. You raise your hand. Abhishek Dave. Yes, you want to play?
yes sir. Can I, sir?
Sorry? Yes, you can. Play the second line. No. आपने upstroke play किया था. Can you play it again? This is, see, towards the end of this measure, you can see these 2 dots. इसका means होता है कि आपको वो वाली line repeat करनी है. That line will be repeated twice before moving to the next line. So who wants to try it again? If you want to try again, Abhishek, then you can try.
Sir, ये rhythm है ना?
Yes, that's a rhythm. Yes, that's correct. आपको बस down up clear नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. Who wants to try it next? No. Okay, Manish. So you're not playing it. Your upstroke is coming early. As I said, you should not be forcing your upstrokes. आपके हाथ अपने आप ही upstroke बजाएंगे. So 1. See? 1. Yes. Okay. Who is playing it? I'm getting confused. Yes, Abhishek, are you playing or Manish is playing?
Sir,
I guess Manish was playing because मेरे को G major chord सुनाई दे रही थी.
Perfect, sir.
Okay, next, going to the next. So, going ahead to the next line. This C major, not C major. This third line. Who wants to try this one? Samarth, you want to try this one? You're using mobile, Samarth, right?
जी sir, yes, I'm using mobile.
तभी ऐसे देख रहे हो, ध्यान देना से.
Yeah,
As I said, these PDFs won't work on mobile. बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ता है because अभी तो फिर भी बहुत बड़ा है. The next time it can be very smaller, so it will be very difficult for you guys to figure it out.
सर इसमें chords भी है?
नहीं, इसमें chords नहीं है, अभिषेक.
सर कोई भी बजा सकते हैं ना chords?
कोई भी chords. There is no foundation. आप कोई भी chords बजाओ. कुछ भी बजाओ, आप single note बजा सकते हैं. These are only rhythm. These are the rhythm patterns. Who wants to play this rhythm? Just raise their hand. Prasun, you want to play it? Okay. One by one. Let Prasun. Nice, Prasun. Can you play it faster? Nice. Okay. Third level. Nice. So this is how you will be practicing. So you will be practicing it at 3 speeds. So धीरे play करो, then middle speed, intermediate play करो, and then advance a little more faster. Nice. Okay. Let's start with something difficult. Who wants to play this second last line? This one. Saurabh? No? चैट में कौन है सर? मुझे अभी गिटार सिखाते हुए आज दूसरा दिन है और स्ट्रिंग बजाने के कारण उंगलियों में पेन है. क्या करूं? आई एम वेरी सैड. व्हाई यू आर वेरी सैड?
सर ये अचीवमेंट है सर.
Achievement. Pain is an achievement. That's true, Abhishek. It means that you are practicing.
Yes.
So if it is paining, अगर आपके fingers में ऐसे lines आ जाती हैं, fingers काली पड़ जाएं, आपके कभी लग जाए, so it means you are practicing, you are working hard. You guys must be watching Whiplash. So, okay, so going ahead, who is going to play this line?
So
Okay, I'll give you both a chance. So Manish asked it first, so Manish will be going.
Okay, second last line.
Yes, the second.
Okay.
Can you play it faster, Manish? Nice. What about you, Abhishek? Nice, Manish.
सर पहले तो सर मैं आपको बहुत थैंक यू कहना चाहूंगा सर अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए.
No, it's fine. Which one you're playing? You're playing the last one, I guess. You need to play this one. Hey, किसका और का गिटार माइक खुला हुआ है? Saurabh, is your mic is open? Don't play it. Please let others play. Guys, please keep your unmuted while somebody is playing. Okay. Yes, Abhishek. The second line.
So second last ना?
Second last, yes.
सर एक सेकंड.
Nice. Okay. Saurabh, you want to play?
Okay, sir. Which one?
Okay, this one, F1. This is my favorite one. Are you playing, Saurabh? Because it's not audible.
Which one are you talking about?
Okay, you guys, whenever you join the, okay, you're audible now. It's Ayush playing. It's not you playing. Ayush, please mute yourself. Thank you. Yes, Saurabh. Okay. So जब भी आप म्यूजिक क्लास लिया करें, so I want to share something. You guys must be knowing this stuff. So there is some settings called, आपके Zoom settings में left side में audio settings होगी. You should guys also check your audio settings, and there is an option called automatically adjust microphone volume. Please keep it unchecked. And because क्या होता है कि आपका गिटार का साउंड लाउड होता है तो वो उसका वॉल्यूम कम कर देता है, and nothing is audible then. So you guys keep it unchecked whenever you are having these kind of classes. Okay. So going ahead.
Laptop में available है.
Laptop में available. Yes, Ashwini, you want to say something?
Sir, where is it? Sir, I didn't find.
So on the left side जो laptop use कर रहे हैं उनके लिए है, वैसे तो
फोन पे नहीं आता है सर वो.
Okay.
So लैपटॉप पे ही आता है बस.
Okay. Cool. Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek Anand. You want to ask something?
सर क्या हम वोकल का मतलब उस पे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, एक्सरसाइज?
गिटार के ऊपर स्ट्रमिंग. You are talking about strumming? हाँ, गिटार की स्ट्रमिंग पर हम वोकल का प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. You guys can do सारे गामा पादा निसा thing over it. So you can start with a सुर पहले ले लिया सा सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा. See, anything you can also sing this song over there. Okay. गिटार के साथ सॉन्ग की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें, क्योंकि अगर स्ट्रमिंग करते हैं तो सॉन्ग भूल जाते हैं. How to become playback singer and versatile singer.
क्या बात है.
Wow. Keshav with the star emoji. See, it's all about struggle and luck. If you are willing to give that much of time. See, अगर आपको किसी भी चीज में perfection चाहिए, it is said that you guys should be doing it at 42 hours a week. कोई भी profession है, if you want music as a profession, you guys should be doing 40 hours as a music as a profession. आप engineer हो, आप तब भी 40 hours दे रहोगे. आप डॉक्टर हो, आप तब भी 40 hours दे रहोगे. So it's all about like you guys, whether you are devoted that much to give 40 hours for music every week. And if you are willing to do that, then it's all about luck. If you are very serious about it, that's really great. So you should be giving 40 hours. अगर आपके पास 40 hours practice shows including, shows नहीं है तो आप 40 hours वो सारा time आप practice में लगाओ. Then वो shows भी आने start हो जाएंगे. So that is including the shows thing. और फिर in the end it is all about luck. सही जगह पर सही टाइम पर होना, सही इंसान से मिलना. That is all about luck. Because there are many people who are very talented, way too talented in this country, and उनका luck काम नहीं करता, या फिर उनका कैरेक्टर ही अच्छा नहीं है. That's also the thing. या आपका एटीट्यूड ही अच्छा नहीं है कि people ही आपके लोग ही आपके आसपास नहीं रहना चाहते. So that's also the case. So keep your attitude clear. मुंबई जाना is nowadays, कोरोना में मुंबई जाना it's just useless. So I won't suggest you to go to Mumbai. आप घर पे बैठे रह जाएंगे और सिर्फ रेंट भरते रह जाएंगे. It's nothing. It's not useful nowadays. There's many opportunities online, Keshav. You should try meeting people. Like this platform, you can meet people, you can sing for people, and like Front Row is bringing you together. हमारा luck काम कर गया सर अभिषेक तवे. Nice, अभिषेक. So congratulations.
तभी आपसे मिले सर हम लोग. लक अच्छा था सर, तभी आपसे मिले.
So मेरा भी luck काम कर गया, मैं आप लोगों से मिल गया. So my luck is working better, so I should be touch wood. Yeah. So मैं इतने सारे लोगों से मिल गया. आप लोग मेरे से मिले, but मैं आप लोगों से मिल गया. So I am more luckier. So I would say कि this is how we'll be doing the 8-note rhythms in the guitar. And now I'm going to show you how you can practice at 3 different levels. So first level ये है कि आप beginner हैं, आपको गिटार आपने सिर्फ जस्ट उठाया, आपको थोड़े बहुत कॉर्ड्स आते हैं, like you know E minor, you know C major or any other chord. So what you will do, you will choose a rhythm. Let me choose any rhythm. let's say I'm doing this last one. So it's down, down, up, down, down. Nice. So you got this rhythm. So अब मेरे को rhythm पता चल गई. Now I'm going to use it at 3 different levels. So first level is that I know only the chords. मुझे सिर्फ chords पता है. So what I will do, I will just do this rhythm at chords at 3 different speeds. So, and then I will make it fast. More fast. More faster. So this is the 3 different levels. You can actually 3 different speed पे आप beginner level पे कैसे practice करेंगे. Now the next thing. So जैसे आप intermediate level पे पहुँचते हैं, you will realize कि intermediate people tends to play single string stuff more actually, कि वो solo बजाने लगते हैं. So they tends to play the solo. So आप क्या कर सकते हैं, सरगम की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं this rhythm पर. So when you know the scale, now you will implement this rhythm in your scale. So I'm still doing that rhythm down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. This is the second level you will be practicing this rhythm. Now the next stuff is कि ये तो एक series में था. When you can actually start improvising, when you start at the third level, जो होता है advanced level, what happens कि आपकी visualization गिटार पे बहुत अच्छा होता है. जो advanced level पे जब intermediate से advanced level पे जाते हैं, those people have very good visualization over the guitar. उनका एक भी नोट गलत नहीं होता. That is the thing. उन्हें पता होता है कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, मुझे पता है कि इसके बाद ये वाला नोट नहीं है, ये वाला नोट है. मुझे इसके भी पता है कि इसके नीचे ये वाला नोट है, ये वाला नोट है. So what happens? So when आपको ये धीरे-धीरे जब चीजें दिखने लगती हैं, तो तब आप improvise करोगे rhythm पर. So when you have a track, something like कोई भी एक rhythm track चल रहा है, and you can and then you can actually start improvising this rhythm over this one. Something like that. तो आप उस रिदम को इम्प्लीमेंट करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. और फॉर दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर्स भी इसका फायदा उठा सकते हैं. दोज हु एक्चुअली राइट म्यूजिक ओवर दैट पियानो रोल, जिनको पियानो रोल पे लिखना बहुत पसंद है. मेरे को भी पियानो रोल पे लिखना बहुत पसंद है. व्हाट यू गाइस कैन डू, सो डाउन डाउन अप डाउन डाउन अप, यू कैन एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंट अ रिदम. एक रिदम है ये. इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स कि आप इस रिदम का किस तरीके से यूज करते हैं. सो कोई भी आप म्यूजिक बना सकते हैं या फिर so down down up down. So rhythm is still similar, down down up down down up. It doesn't matter ये hand का movement नहीं है. Hand का movement था ये when you guys were beginner, but when you start moving toward the intermediate level, then it doesn't continue with it. Let me just give me a minute.
सर आप स्केल्स बजा रहे थे अभी इससे पहले?
Yes, this. I was in C major scale. So this is the 3 levels how you can implement these 8-note rhythms into your playing. Okay, so now coming to the progression thing. So I'm just giving you a very fast, rough idea of how the progression works, and this is very essential. So for doing this progression thing, I'm going to use very good and very simple example of doing progression. So उसके लिए मेरे को थोड़ी सी drawings बनानी पड़ेंगी. not drawings. Let's start with very scale. So first of all, you guys need to know how to write a scale, and it is very essential to need to know how to write a scale, because that will help you out to figure out the chord progression in any songs actually. So there is a thing called chord family. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. So chord family होती है क्या है? Chord family क्या होती है कि जैसे किसी भी song में ऐसा बोला जाता है जैसे कि whenever the singer comes on the stage, or whenever you guys are practicing with the singer or any other musician, they actually tends to say that I wrote this song कि आप मतलब अगर इंडियन क्लासिकल वाले होते हैं तो वो कहते हैं कि पहली काली से स्टार्ट करो. So बहुत सारे लोग get confused with this पहली काली and दूसरी काली, पहली गोरी, whatever. So what you guys can do, so see, and जो वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक वाले होते हैं, they actually tends to say कि हमारी स्किल C sharp है, let's start with the C sharp, let's start with the D. So आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि जब वो D बोलते हैं तो स्केल के अंदर कौन कौन से नोट आते हैं. आने वही सारे गामा पादा नी सा, बट इट्स जस्ट अ डिफरेंट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट अलग है सबका. सो अगर मैं ये स्केल भी कोई भी बजा रहा हूँ, स्केल होता क्या है? स्केल इज जस्ट एक सीरीज है, सीक्वेंस है. सो इफ यू नो द सीक्वेंस, सो इफ आई एम प्लेइंग द स्केल, सारे गामा पादा नी सा किसी भी नोट से लिया जाए वो सारे गामा पादा नी सा ही सुनाई देता है. इट डजंट मैटर. सो ये सब सारे गामा पादा नी सा थे. But only difference was this was taken from C, this was taken from E flat, this was taken from G. So it सिर्फ starting point चीज हो रहे हैं. तो जब भी हम किसी और स्केल में जाते हैं तो आपको बस ये पता होना चाहिए 6 hours a day Prasun, you wrote it. Okay, that's correct actually. You need to practice 6 hours a day. I actually used to practice 11 hours a day. Thank you, Abhishek. So I was saying कि C major, so it is just a different, a major scale. किसी भी नोट से उठा लो वो सारे मेजर स्केल ही साउंड करेंगे और कहीं से किसी भी लेवल पे. Yes, Ashwani Amit, you want to ask something?
Sir, I'm not understanding.
You're not understanding? So I'm just saying कि जब भी आप सारे गामा पादा नीसा तो सुना होगा, सारे गामा पादा नीसा, सारे गामा पादा नीसा जो आप बार बार उसी पद्धति पे हम बार बार सारे गामा पादा नीसा करते रहते हैं. मतलब टीचर्स आते हैं ना, आपने सारे गामा पे आके सबसे बोलते जा सारे गामा पादा नीसा सुना. So that's how the Indian classical people, that's you है कम तुम्हारी सरगम सुनाओ बेटा. So that's the starting point of Indian classical music, क्योंकि आपको सरगम पता होना चाहिए. सारे गामा पादा नीसा, this sequence of these 7 note, 7 सुर में पूरी दुनिया, that's true actually. So that 7 सुर आप वो किसी भी नोट से उठा लो. क्या होता है कि जैसे मेरी वॉइस लो है, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपकी वॉइस हाई है, किसी और की वॉइस किसी और रेंज पे होगी, तो सब लोग एक ही रेंज पे नहीं गा सकते. जो अरिजीत सिंह जिस रेंज पे गा सकता है उस रेंज पे मैं गा ही नहीं सकता, मैं सोच ही नहीं सकता, मेरे को ऑपरेशन कराना पड़ जाएगा गले का. सो व्हाटएवर, सो माय रेंज इज डिफरेंट, so his range is different. So मैं गा सकता हूँ, वो शायद वो भी गा लेगा, but whatever. So I'm just saying कि ranges होती हैं. अरिजीत सिंह is versatile. He works in various octaves. मेरा सिर्फ एक ही ऑक्टेव, मैं सारे गामा पादा नहीं से गा लूंगा, बट शायद अगले वाले सारे गामा पादा नहीं से गाऊंगा, वो 3 ऑक्टेव में गा ले, बिकॉज वो बचपन से गा रहा है. That's the key. He has been practicing a lot. And there is another thing कि जैसे फीमेल सिंगर्स होती हैं, फीमेल सिंगर्स के सॉन्ग मेल सिंगर्स उस पिच में नहीं गा सकते, बिकॉज उनकी पिच ही अलग होती है, बट सब सुर तो वही साथ है. इट इज सेड, सो लाइक फीमेल सिंगर्स टेंड टू सिंग हाई, वो इस नोट से गा सकती हैं, जी मेजर पे गा सकते हैं, while the male singers tend to sing low. उनकी वॉइस लो होती है, और जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती आती है फीमेल सिंगर्स की पिच और हाई होती जाती है और मेल सिंगर्स की पिचेस और लो होती जाती हैं. So that's truth. So जो अभी यंगर एज में 19s और टीन एज में, तो उनको ये लग रहा है कि मेरी वॉइस पतली सी रह गई, लड़कों को लग रहा है और लड़कियों को लग रहा है कि मेरी वॉइस भारी रह गई. So it is going to change actually. Eventually it will change throughout your life. And sir, shyness कैसे दूर करूँ? You said कि to become a singer you need to interact with people, do live shows, etc. Shyness, it doesn't require to shyness. आप थोड़ा सा try to be a little mad guy around people actually. I would suggest you. So मैं भी बहुत शाय था. There was I used to use an application and it actually gave me a trick and उसने मेरे को एक टास्क दिया. मैं बहुत शाय था. I used to very shy in my college days. So मैं लोगों के आसपास. I'm also very anti-social kind of thing. So I don't like social outcomings जहाँ पे 100 लोग हों. I'm not a very club or pub वाला guy. I prefer sitting at my home alone. So what I do, so उसमें task था कि shyness हटाने के लिए try to wear 2 different shoes on the same day. एक पैर में दूसरा पहनो, एक पैर में दूसरा पहनो, and go to some social outcome and you will realize nobody notices. That's the thing. कोई notice नहीं करता बेटा. And I realized that day it doesn't have. आपको shy करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. People just go by. ये train और buses हैं, it just comes and go by. So you should not be worrying about them too much. Be yourself. Be yourself. और अगर आप best दोगे ना दुनिया को, and the best will come to you. So it works. Sir, I have seen everyone improvise on the pentatonic scale, but how to improvise over a chord changes? Can you tell? So the key is, I'm just telling you, just giving you a very ऊपर से idea. We actually tends to target the chord. So when we are targeting, we have like C major and F major. I am giving you an. तो आपको C major scale पता होनी चाहिए सबसे पहला option. Okay, now you know the C major scale and you know that की chord changes हैं C major से F major. So this soloing is this is more about how to make a melody. We try to target chord notes. So इस C major के अंदर जो note आ रहे हैं जैसे ये वाला note, and there's also this open string in it. When you change it to F major, उसके अंदर फिर ये वाला note आ रहा है, ये वाला note and ये वाला note. So you need to target them when the chord changes. Random नहीं बजाना है. Random below intermediate लोग बजाते हैं. Random, who goes with the random stuff. You need to target. When you write in an essay, ऐसा तो नहीं होता है कि cow का ऐसे आया तो आप father का ऐसे लिखाते हो. You need to keep the context same, isn't it? So context same तभी होगा when you try to target the chords. आप context अलग नहीं कर सकते. So C major, when I try to make a melody in C major, I can start from any note from the C major. So ये वाला note हो सकता है, ये वाला note हो सकता है, ये वाला note हो सकता है. And when if I play anything over the F major, so ये notes हैं हमारे. And so if I just make a melody in C major and F major, then it will somehow sound like this one. Sorry. Melodies are very often. So they tend to target the chords. ये वाला उसमें था. थोड़े भीगे भीगे से थोड़े नम हैं हम. So target the chords and आपकी melody अपने आप बन जाएगी. सर आपने अरिजीत का एग्जांपल दिया है कि वो बचपन से गा रहा है और अगर जिस है जस्ट एवरेज 20 रुपए में 20 years में सॉरी नॉट 20 रुपए में सिंगिंग सीखना स्टार्ट किया है that he can or she become a playback singer. Yes, you need to run faster than him. 40 घंटे नहीं 80 घंटे रियाज करो हफ्ते में. You will eventually will become. See, it's all about like आप कितने passionate हो उस चीज के राह में. If you're practicing more than if you're running faster than everybody, of course you will उन सबको आप पीछे छोड़ दोगे कुछ टाइम में. And it happens. क्योंकि कुछ टाइम बाद अरिजीत सिंह is very busy guy. He's not practicing anymore. You guys should know that. So आप उस टाइम को cover up करो ना. वो सिर्फ एक ही घंटे प्रैक्टिस कर पाता हो शायद आज के टाइम में. आपके पास अगर टाइम है आपके पास शोज नहीं है. You guys can practice 10 hours a day. Who is stopping you? खाना खाओ प्रैक्टिस करो, खाना खाओ प्रैक्टिस करो, सो जाओ प्रैक्टिस करो. Easiest way. एंड इवेंचुअली सी टैलेंट आपका हम कभी ना कभी आज नहीं आ रहा, लक को भी बदला जाता है टैलेंट से. इफ यू आर वे टू टैलेंटेड कि आप हर जगह शाइन करने लगो, देन नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू. आपका नाम कहीं से भी कहीं पे पहुंच जाएगा, आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. दैट्स द की. So when we were talking about writing the chords, saying thanks for the motivation. Thank you, Prasun. Vaibhav Sahu. So this is how. So what is close scale and open scale in guitar? Close scale. What do you mean by close scale? I even never heard of it. Close scale. I heard of open chords actually. What do you mean by open scale, Vaibhav? You want to share some reviews over that? Sir, while singing breathing notes, कैसे? Sorry, sir. If you want to solo over a chord changes, it is important to remember the fretboard. Yes, you should be having a very good visualization over it. And notes याद होने चाहिए. एक बार को notes याद भी ना हो तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. Major C major scale, maybe C major scale is the answer. C major scale is a major scale. It's not any close or open. इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है close open से. However, there was something called close chords and open chords. So open chords are used to be a little sparse, जिसमें notes थोड़े दूर होते हैं. So आप must have heard this type of chord जो आजकल EDM में बहुत use होते हैं. So these are the open or the sparse chords. Maybe he's talking about case system. Yes, H.I. is talking about case system. The case system is the key to remember the visualization. You guys, for jo thode se beginner level pe, they can actually search for this case system. It is very important. And also we will be discussing case system once we move to the intermediate level until we complete this basic stuff as well. Basic scale ki practice kaise kare for breathing notes? I never practiced on Tanpura, Keshav. I hope that practicing over the Tanpura for guitar does not work at all. Should you practicing over the backing tracks, I would suggest you, instead of doing it all. So easy way to play F chord. That's a question. So there's no easy way. And that's the right answer. So there's some tricks, there's some secrets you can follow to hold a bar chord. The first secret is not using the front part of your finger. Because front part बहुत flashy होता है, इसके अंदर strings घुस जाती हैं, आपके निशान पड़ जाएंगे. Try to use the bony part of your finger, the side of your finger. So instead of keeping it straight like this one, try to keep it like this. So and the other key is the thumb. सब कुछ fingers नहीं करती. Thumb is the key. Thumb is also holding it. Whenever you hold something, आप equally pressure दोनों side से करते हैं. So if this finger is also putting the pressure and this thumb is also putting the pressure. So when you hold it like this, our chords will be way too easy. How to add flavor to the chord supports our chord progression is C major, A minor, C major, F major, and G major. Very similar. What else we can add? That's I was talking about the chord families. So when you are able to write the scale, so let's assume then we are able to write the scale. What happens? We actually give numbers to the scales. So हम सारे एक note को number दे देंगे. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7 and 8 या फिर 1 वापस. So इसके अंदर C मेजर स्केल के अंदर यही कॉर्ड्स आने वाली हैं. इसके अलावा कोई कॉर्ड्स नहीं आएगी. इसके अंदर कोई एफ शार्प माइनर कोई कॉर्ड भी नहीं आएगी. जो इस स्केल के नोट्स हैं वही कॉर्ड्स आती हैं. ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज कि आपको ये नहीं पता कि whether this chord is major or chord minor hai. That's guys you need to figure out. So I'm making it easier for you. It's very easy for any scale. किसी भी स्केल में उसकी 1, 4 और 5 नोट वाला जो भी होगा वो मेजर कॉर्ड होगा हमेशा, और 2, 3, 6 जो कॉर्ड होगा वो हमेशा माइनर कॉर्ड होगा. And we are left with 7th one, which is the diminished. Don't ask me a question about the diminished because we are not going to use it very much, or it will take another half an hour for us to figure out what is diminished. So what I am just saying is C major scale में C major, F major और G major chord होंगे हमेशा. 2, 3 and 6 D minor, E minor और A minor chord होंगे इसके अंदर हमेशा, and B diminished होगा इसके अंदर. So this is how we figure out the scale and the chord families, and this is how the chord families work. Chord families. अब जैसे G मेजर के अंदर आपने देखा होगा, हमेशा पैटर्न ये देखना जरूरी है. G मेजर के अंदर हमेशा E माइनर होता है. जी मेजर के अंदर हमेशा ए माइनर होता है, जी मेजर के अंदर हमेशा डी मेजर होता है, जी मेजर के अंदर हमेशा सी मेजर होता है. That's true because जी मेजर के अंदर यही नोट होता है. जी मेजर के स्केल जी ए बी सी डी ई एफ शार्प जी. सो इनके अंदर जो नोट्स आ रहे हैं उन्हीं के कॉर्ड्स बनेंगे. उधर से कोई नया कॉर्ड नहीं आ जाएगा कि सी शार्प unless they are changing the scale. So while singing with mic breath कैसे लें means face का mic से कितना distance होना चाहिए. One hand distance would be fine. What you can when I record something over the mic, so I'll keep this one, so you keep your face this much away. I guess like I don't know how much is this one. I'm not having a scale right now, but this much.
सर वो एक बार आप जो F chord का बता रहे थे या मतलब जो भी बार chords के बारे में बता रहे थे,
bar chords
thumb का एक बार position बताइएगा.
So I was just saying कि there are 3 secrets actually. I'm just showing you 2 secrets today. So keeping the suspense. So first secret है कि use the side of your finger and try to keep it near the fret line. जितना आप इसको इधर से दूर रखोगे ना उतनी मुश्किल होगी. इसको हमेशा fret line के पास रखो. And the thumb is playing a very important role. जितना ये finger press करी ना उतना ही thumb भी press कर रहा है पीछे से. तो आप ये मत सोचना कि सब कुछ finger ही कर रही है. So thumb is also pressing. So it is more bigger grip. See, I can इतना grip है कि मैं अपना गिटार उठा सकता हूँ इन 2 फिंगर से. So that's how you will be getting your bar chords clear and bar clear होना. So सबसे पहला important होता है bar chords clear करने का कि आपका bar clear होना चाहिए. Because chords तो आप वैसे भी play कर रहे हो. Okay, that's the key and that's the secrets for the playing the bar chord. There is also another third secret that we can discuss somewhere later. Or we can keep the suspense. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि secret हो ही ना.
सर वो chord family सर एक बार वापस सर बोलो.
Chord family. So for figuring out the chord families of any scale, you guys need to know कि उस के scale में कौन-कौन से नोट आते हैं. So C major के अंदर कोई sharp नोट नहीं आते. आपने एक बार C major लिख ली और सबके नीचे आपने नंबर लिख दिया. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And when I say कि आपने एक बार scale लिख दिया तो आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि इस स्केल के अंदर कौन-कौन से chord major हैं. So C major इसके अंदर आती है, इसके अंदर F major chord आती है, इसके अंदर G major chord आती है. आपको ये भी पता चल जाएगा कि इसमें कौन-कौन सी chord minor हैं, जो कि D minor इसके अंदर आती है, E minor इसके अंदर आती है, A minor आती है, B diminished भी आती है. So I'm just going to show you for singers जो repeatedly my guitar is Elite series Fender Stratocaster. No other questions regarding the guitar. Don't ask me.
Example
example is so C major in the C major scale. So you guys can also practice Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa while doing this sequence. So Sa will be C major. Sa. Next note is D. So second number की chord क्या थी? Minor थी. Re. Third number की chord minor थी. Ga. Then Ma is also minor. Fourth is a major. So Ma. Pa. Dha. Ni. Sa. See?
सर फीलिंग कर रहे हो.
Sorry?
फीलिंग कर रहे हो सर. वो बार कोड सर बताओ सर कैसे लगेगा. मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो रहा है इसलिए.
मैंने बार कोड सिर्फ एक ही यूज की. सॉरी, आई वोंट यूज एनी बार कोड अगेन. सो सा रे गा मा. दिस इज एफ मेजर. मा पा. देन धा ni. This is a B diminished chord. Don't ask me a question about diminished chord. We will be discussing it. So this is diminished chord. जिसको diminished बजाना है वो can see it, take a picture of it, can search for it. Ni and sa. Sorry. Sa. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma. See? Yes, Ashwini.
Sir, I have attended now new only, so I don't have the guitar. So I have to buy the guitar.
Of course. That's why we are doing basics of guitar. You need to buy a guitar. It's like you're asking about अगर ये होती basics of swimming and you keep asking कि हमें पानी की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So that's true. You guys need to have water. You guys need to have guitar while having the gig class. So it won't work, but otherwise what you can do कि जैसे हम लोग theoretical हो रहा है question, तो theoretical भी था towards the end of it, so you can make use of it. If you're a music producer, that can be useful for some people. For guitarists, it is of course useful. Okay, so that's all we will be doing till today now, and I'm also having another class to catch up, so I'll be meeting next week, or you guys can. Keshav, I need to ask Ishan. I guess most probably it will be on next week, and there is also one more class coming on advanced stuff like music theory and harmonies. It would be around like Monday, Tuesday, so you guys can attend that one as well.
सर वो जो last time हुआ था वही ना?
कौन सा वाला? Harmonies and progression.
3 बजे जो
Yeah, 3 बजे वाला हुआ था. Yes, harmonies and progression. Can you answer my question, please? Yes, Shivam. What was your question, sir? Can you answer? What was the question, sir? I have asked one question.
PDF, I think if it is shared, it can be shared again. The one that you had just showed.
Okay, I'll share every PDF. I'll share every. You guys having a WhatsApp group or something?
We don't know actually. Like,
actually, Front Row has confirmed anybody
PDF right now.
What you guys can do, you can follow me up on the Front Row. I'm going to upload one of my PDF, maybe about this chords and stuff. So you guys can copy it from there.
Okay.
Okay, I guess like that would be useful for you guys. It's
Right.
hard for me to share my contact over here. You can search me on the Google. I'm easily searchable. Yes, welcome, Weber.
Sir, एक और question है. Sorry, this is not related to GitHub, but it's more on the posture. जब आप बैठते हैं practice के लिए, रियाज के लिए, it's always difficult for me because I have a lower back issue. मैं ज़्यादातर बैठ नहीं पाता हूँ गिटार because I tend to
Always lie behind. गिटार आपको आगे बैठ के ऐसे झुक के नहीं बजाना है. You must have some back support, so I'm having a back support. See, it's not visible, but I'm having a back support while I'm doing. Or best way to practice guitar is to lie on the bed and practice.
Lie on the bed. Oh.
Yes, आराम से लेट के गिटार बजाओ. That would be the easiest way, and that won't hurt. आपके back में भी problem नहीं होगी because see guitarist tends to have some physical problem afterwards after playing playing for 20 years. 20 साल के बाद थोड़ी दिक्कत आनी शुरू हो जाती है. एज के साथ भी होता है. So I would suggest you to ऐसा कम ही करना है कि आपको बैठ के गिटार बजाना. Either keep some back support or try to play it lying over the bed. Actually, that would be easier ways.
Sir.
केशव यहाँ अभी तक 2 classes हो चुकी हैं.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I want to buy a guitar. So
Yes.
my budget is between 5K to 8K. So
Yep.
which one I have?
I already gave you the brand name, that is Ibanez, Fender, and Yamaha, Greg Bennett. These are the 3-4 brands you guys need to go for it. And इसके अलावा तो और कुछ नहीं है because इस brand के सारे range में आते गिटार. I'm also having a Fender guitar. So however, this cost me like 2 lakhs. So it totally depends upon your budget. Yes, that is 2 lakhs.
It's an electric guitar.
That's an electric guitar. Yeah, that's an electric guitar.
Oh, okay. अपने पास तो सर छोटा chord.
Acoustic guitar. Yes, that's what I'm saying. See, ये brands सभी range में बनाते हैं. So it's totally upon to your range कि आपका क्या range है. You can buy at any range.
Plus bow का भी cost होगा.
Sorry?
The bow which is attached in the end.
No, I just took it from my wife. She used to wear it. Okay. So I'll be just signing off now. American Elite Stratocaster man.
Sir, timing तो बोल दो.
Timing, Ishan will let you know, guys. I guess most probably this 9:30 thing will work. Thursday.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
और सर 2 मिनट. सर वो
Yes,
मुझे
Abhijit.
हवाई के कोड चाहिए. सर मैं 15 दिन से सर ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मिल रहे नहीं है. सर
हवाई के कोड चाहिए. हवाई.
वो सर वो सॉन्ग है ना.
जी बजाओ. GDA.
सर स्टमिक बटन ये रहेगा ना. सर को
ऐसे सी है.
ले जाए तुझे ले जाए तुझे हवाएं ले जाए तुझे हवाएं ले जाए ना तुझको बता.
So it's very easy, I guess. You guys can find it Hawaii very easily. Online बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है. हवाई के स्पेलिंग गलत डाल रहे होगे अभिषेक.
हाँ.
अगर मैंने
तो बहुत ही
हवाई के स्पेलिंग गलत डाल रहे
ट्राई किया सर.
Okay,
Most popular song
ट्राई
है.
किया.
It's very popular. मैंने भी शायद सर्च किए हैं chords and it was very easily available. Let me just show you. अगर आपको अभी भी दिक्कत हो रही है, I can show it to you.
Sir, I have one question.
Hawaii chords.
Hello.
Yes. What's your question?
Sir, actually अभी जो आप सोलो कर रहे थे ना, तो in over this E major scale.
Yes.
So sir, you use the F minor chord which contains the G sharp note. So sir, that is out of scale, ना? तो मतलब.
Yes. I intentionally kept it over there to make it
Yes,
more
sir.
interesting.
Okay, so we can add notes which is out of
Yes,
scale.
we can add notes which are outside the scale to make it interesting. But वापस C major पे आना पड़ेगा. We can actually do that. So who was saying yes, Abhishek, you were not able to find the Hawaiian chords?
सर जूम करो मैं फोटो खींच लेता हूँ.
अरे फोटो खींचने की जरूरत है, जस्ट सर्च हवाई के स्पेलिंग गलत डाल रहे हो गलत.
सर बहुत सारे सर.
अरे बहुत सारे हैं, but we need to figure it out which one works for you.
But that's I think in the original scale, right? D major.
That's that G sharp note I used.
No. The Hawaii chord.
Hawaii, yes. I don't know the original scale. किसी भी scale में गा सकते हैं, as I said कि different singers tends to sing in different scales.
Right.
So it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll be signing off, guys, because
Okay.
my next class
Thank
has
you,
just
sir.
started. He
Thank you,
must
sir.
be messaging.
Thank you so
me.
much, sir.
Welcome, guys. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Ishan, for setting this up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night, guys.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Bye, sir.
Good night.
Bye,
sir.
Sam. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody.
Take care.
Bye, Anthony. Bye,
Bye,
Ashni.
sir.
Bye,
दुआ में याद
Ayush.
रखना.
क्या याद रखना?
दुआ में याद रखना सर.
दुआओं में याद रखेंगे अभिषेक. Sure.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Vaibhav, Sukriti, Satyam. Guys, good night.
Good night, sir.